The Lancer 20 is the only 20-foot boat in the industry with a standard V6 configuration that gets up on plane in less than 3 seconds and runs in the mid-50s in open water. The classic deep V hull and flared bows are traditional Chris-Craft signatures. They not only make this a beautiful boat, but ensure that it provides a smooth and dry ride. The Lancer 20 turns on a dime. It's responsive yet safe in all conditions. Its impressive agility makes this a great boat for water skiing or wakeboarding. The Lancer 20 has a new, wider swim platform at the back. Teak decking is available on the Heritage Edition. The 3-step stainless steel boarding ladder with grab handle drops far enough into the water so you can easily pull yourself back onto the boat after skiing or swimming. It is mounted underneath the swim platform and hides away when not in use. The Lancer 20 comes with Chris-Craft's exclusive centrally mounted telescoping water sports pylon. The cockpit area has plenty of space. With a generous 8-foot beam, the boat can comfortably accommodate 5 people. At Chris-Craft, we have worked hard to make our seating comfortable and stylish. Our upholstery has a luxurious texture, yet is extremely durable. It resists stains, tears, and scuffs, and won't fade. Our cushions are soft to the touch, yet provide firm support. You'll find the storage compartments have stainless steel luxury yacht quality latches. The red dot on the latches allows you to easily see when they are unlocked. The specially designed cooler storage area comes with a removable 26-quart igloo cooler. Diamond, non-skid flooring with snap-in Berber carpet is standard. The carpet has a black urethane non-slip backing, which prevents dry rot and stops the carpet from sticking to the liner. The cockpit is self-draining. A bimini top is standard. Or, as a no-cost option, you can select a convertible top. We use Sunbrella canvas that is color-matched to the hull. It resists shrinkage, fading, and rotting. The stainless steel supports won't rust or pit, and the flush-mounted quick-release catches make the bimini top easy to put up and put away. Both the bimini and the convertible top fold away completely, disappearing into the storage tray under the rear seat to ensure the top is on the boat at all times. The optional canvas package includes a Sunbrella cockpit cover to protect the boat when it's not in use. An additional safety feature is the stern navigation light, which is easy to put in place. The helm area of the Lancer 20 feels like the dash of a sports car. All controls are easily within reach. The tilt steering wheel is solid mahogany with polished aluminum spokes, and the shift and throttle are custom Chris-Craft designs. A new armrest also makes driving more comfortable. On the driver's side of the center console, you'll find a nylon storage bag for your keys, cell phone, wallet, and registration. It snaps off so that you can easily grab it on the way out of the boat. The custom Chris Craft bucket seats with flip-up bolsters are multi-positional and feature a fully adjustable slide pedestal. The perforated metal plate dashboard below a coach vinyl dash panel is another traditional Chris Craft feature. Custom Chris Craft Perea gauges are framed with stainless steel bezels. A full set of backlit, dimmable gauges monitor the engine, including tachometer, speedometer, trim, fuel, volt, and oil pressure. There is also a depth finder with an alarm and an illuminated compass. The centered gauges add to the classic sports car feel. The sealed Carling rocker switches have resettable breakers instead of fuses. There's also a 12-volt outlet that comes in handy for electronic equipment. Below the center console is a lockable ski storage compartment with a rack for 2 pairs of full-length skis. A kneeboard can be tucked away next to the rear seat on the port side. The helm area has 2 cup holders in the center console, with 2 more in the rear seating area. The Lancer 20 comes with a satellite-ready AM/FM CD stereo with MP3 jack and a remote mounted by the steering wheel so that you can change settings without having to move from the helm. 2 triac speakers also come as part of the optional sound package. Accessible from the helm area, you'll find a useful storage area for fenders, life jackets, and other equipment under the foredeck. The Lancer 20 has a standard low-profile stainless steel windshield with green Solex tempered glass. The foredeck of the Lancer 20 has a non-skid pattern that resembles the wooden foredecks of classic Chris Crafts. The Heritage Edition has teak combing boards running down the sides of the boat and a teak and stainless steel handrail on the deck. On the bow, there is a stainless steel flagpole over a custom navigation light and an integrated pop-up cleat. Behind the bow light, you'll find a dedicated anchor storage locker. The locker drains directly overboard and features rubber grips that hold the anchors securely in place while underway. 5 strategically placed pop-up cleats provide ideal mooring points for safely tying up or hanging a fender. The cleats retract flush with the deck when not in use. The traditional stainless steel trumpet horn is reminiscent of old Chris Crafts and is also an important safety feature. The classic Deep V hull is one of Chris Craft's most exceptional features. The hull has a 20-degree dead rise at the transom. Underneath, reverse down-angle chines run the length of the boat. These add lift to help the boat plane more quickly and contribute to its smooth and stable ride. At Chris Craft, the fiberglass is produced using a 6-step lamination process. Unlike many boat manufacturers who use stickers on their hulls that soon fade and peel away, Chris Craft hull graphics are gel-coated into the boat so that they are an integrated part of the fiberglass. There's a stainless steel scuff plate surrounding the eye bolt on the bow to prevent damage as you load or unload your boat from the trailer. Our boats also have a solid PVC gunnel trim to protect the boat and its gel coat should you bump the dock. All through hull fittings on our boats are chrome-plated stainless steel to ensure total integrity and durability. The engine hatch raises easily on stainless steel gas shocks. Its hinges are cast stainless steel and through-bolted for added strength. A 4.3-liter V6 engine with 225 horsepower comes as standard. Alternatively, You can specify a range of high-power Mercruiser or Volvo engines up to 270 horsepower with V8 configurations. An ideal choice for customers who want uncompromising performance. An optional selectable exhaust provides a throaty sound when you're in open water and a muffled note that won't offend the neighbors when you return to the dock. All of our Volvo and Mercruiser engines feature multi-port injection, providing greater fuel economy. On top of the engine, the Hobbs-hour meter helps you keep track of engine use and makes it easy to monitor the maintenance schedule. The remote oil filter has been positioned for easy access during oil changes. The engine compartment is gel-coated for a clean look and also has a full liner. Next to the engine are storage crates for lines, fenders, extra fluids, and cleaning supplies. An optional automatic fire extinguisher is also available. The master on-off battery switch ensures you won't drain the battery if you leave an accessory on. The Rule bilge pump, activated by a Sure Bail float switch, removes water overboard automatically. Chris-Craft manufactures every electrical harness in-house. They are specified to the highest standards for total dependability. The engine compartment is sealed and insulated to keep the sound level down and temperatures low in the rear seat. If you look under the swim platform, you'll notice that the Lancer 20 comes with a stainless steel prop. On the stern, beautiful custom stainless steel vents and a Chris-Craft logo on a perforated plate add finishing touches to the Lancer 20.